Um, Hello everyone. Uh, my name is Yash. For those of you who have been watching for the first time, I'm someone who is interested in learning about data science, and we we have five videos. We are 2 days in. Uh, I'm someone who, for the longest of time, prolonged my learning of data science because I was just delaying it, just saying to myself the next day and the next, and certain familial situations arise, and those and my own bad habits got in the way, and so I never got around to it. So mm, these streams are a way for me to hold myself accountable and make sure that I'm always I'm always learning and progressing, uh, and also to demonstrate that people struggle with this stuff, especially if you're someone who doesn't have the money to attend professional classes or something like that. If you have responsibilities that you can't just leave, so you know if you are someone who is facing issues like these, I just want you to know that you are not alone, and we can go through this together. I want to set an example that this can be done. So this is why I'm making these streams. So last stream we delved into function. So my primary goal right now is to get this course done. So because I'm on a timeline, yeah, I want to be able to complete this course within the span of 3 months. Now, one thing that is like abundantly clear to me, yeah, is that even if you complete this course, that doesn't mean you actually learn data science, because the coding that this course is teaching, that's very inefficient. And there are definitely better codes to be written, but this is like a way to get your foot in the door. So this is why if you complete this course, don't be happy with your skills. You are not really learning anything. What does the following function return? A, B, and 1. Length function there. That would be. I would go with 2. Right now we will just. What does the following function return? Length. Sum. Let's go with 1. No, this is a list. That's 1. So no, this doesn't make sense. Let's go with 1 for now. After executing the following code segment, what will be the value of the list L? List sorted. Hmm, I think that this would be it. Although, what result does the following code produce? Define print function A for A in A. Print print A plus 1. Print function A B C. I don't even get it. What exactly is this? uh, Let's go with this for now. I'm not confident how this works, but let's see how it works. 50%. Let's see what we got incorrect. The function returns the number of elements in the list. In this case, the number of elements is not 2. Okay, so that's one mistake. That's We got this one correct. We got this one wrong, and we got this one correct. Okay, so we got this one wrong. L equals to the sorted function will work any changes to the original list. Okay, so let's retry this. So this should be 3. This should be 3. This should be. mm, This should be 1. This should be also 1. And this should be 1. Let's see what we get. We will perform more exercises as we go along. Yeah. Uh, for now, right now, uh, we ha- we are on a timeline, and this course is rather simple if you just focus on certain things. So we will go through this again. Of that, you don't have to worry that I'm not going through it in depth enough. We will do it. But first, I have to get this course sorted out. So first, we will make a list of things that. So okay. So we got this right. Let's go to another. Now there's the handling. Let's learn what handling is. Yeah. So let's go to ChatGPT and let's ask what is handling in Python. In handling or exception handling, which is the mechanism to deal with runtime errors or exceptions in a graceful manner. So really what that means is that the rare exception that uh, you know then that can force your infinite loop on a stoppage, or that can glitch your loop into infinity. So when you use for loop, that's for that's when you want a infinite loop. When you use while loop is for till a certain condition is met. That's when both of these generally are not. You want to avoid exceptions. So handling basically is that you're trying to block the exceptions from occurring. Key components of exception handling in Python. So let's see. Fifth would be handling exceptions in a graceful manner. Okay, so I've written this. If you want to write it, you can write it too. It's good to write these things, yeah. That way you can, there's a very good chance that uh, you will remember these things precisely because you have written it, and you might have a memory of writing it, and so that helps. So let's see. So let's write it down. Components of exception handling. Exception handling. So the first is block. The code that may raise an exception is placed inside a try block. If an exception occurs, it is immediately passed to the except block. Try code that might raise an exception result is this block, and the second is except block. This block handles specific exceptions or any exception raised in the try block. So the try block would basically be the first line of defense that will give the code a way out, and then if that doesn't work, then there is another way of handling an exception, and that would be the except block, right? So else block, else, yeah, we have all used else block at this point. Executes only if no exceptions occur in the try block. Okay, and finally block. Examples of exception handling. We try num is equal to int input enter a number, print the number you entered is num, except value error, print invalid input, please enter a valid number. Okay, so this is basically a way. So if someone enters a string or a float, a boolean or something like that, if if they try to enter a kind of data type that we have said don't do it, then they are going to, then accept is for, yeah, this is not going to work. Else print the program executed successfully. Finally print end of the program. Wait a minute. Always executes regardless of whether an exception occurred or not. Typically used to for cleanup at closing files or releasing resources. Okay. So benefits of exception are prevent the program from crashing due to unexpected errors. Makes you okay. So we know the basics of this. So let's ask ChatGPT to give us some beginner friendly questions. Yeah. So give me some beginner level handling questions. Here's some beginner level. So handle division by zero. Write a program that asks the user to input two numbers and fetch the first number by the second. Use exceptional handling to catch. Okay. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. Um, A is equal to int input. B is equal to int input result is equal to A divided by B. Except print result. Except B is zero. Print cannot divide by zero. Let's see if it works. Uh, but except, let's see what we did wrong. Hmm. Let's see what we did wrong. Chat GPT. I wrote this program. What is wrong with it? Mhm. Oh yes. So we didn't do this. So yeah. So we got this out of the way. Mm. Individual logic is not wrapped in a try block to handle the potential zero division error. Okay. So mm, the result to result result except zero handling. You did not. You try either. Here's the correct program you just accept and ensures correct. Next one, send result accept try. Oh, oh. So that's what it's saying. So this is what we have to do. If we do this, then this will make sense. Apparently, if we do this, let's see if it works this time. It works. Looks like 2 2 1.0. Okay, let's run this again. 2 0 0 division error. But I wanted this whole thing like cannot. It should be just 2 0. Yeah, that this whole like giant is the. Let's see if it works. Let's see. Let's ask Python what is wrong with our code because it is not printing cannot be divided by zero. It's printing like a regular. Like what is wrong with this code? syntax error and a logical error. Issues in improper use of except. The syntax except the except block is used to catch exception, not to evaluate conditions. You need to specify an exception type, like example. Okay, okay, zero division error. Okay, so we okay, except zero division error. Okay, so if I just put this, so like if I put this, hmm, if I put this, maybe what the fuck? Okay, now why is this not okay? Okay, so let's see if it's like, let's try something just in case. Because this has been happening a lot, yeah? Uh, let's see if it works here. Oh no, it's just not working. And put, okay. Oh no, it worked. Let's see, 2, 2, okay. So let's go 2, 0, cannot, okay. So really, you have to specify the kind of error that is coming in. When I thought of except, I thought exceptions meaning that if certain conditions just generates a loop, and well, yeah, like I was being an idiot. Uh, yeah, so we have to specify the error. We and those errors have a name, and this is a lot more painful. Not necessarily painful, that much lot more cumbersome, if you will. Okay, so let's go with another question. Hmm. Write a program that takes an integer input from the user. Use except handling to catch the error if the user enters a non-integer. First, I have to understand what exactly is it that what does it do if I don't put an integer in it. Yeah. So let's go. K is equal to int input, right? What happened? This is dead. Yeah. So let's see. Okay. And now if I put R in it, value error. Okay, so I will copy this and the code I will write is try, wait a minute. Uh, This is important for those of you who don't know the whole indentation thing. Oh, sorry. Hmm. Except print uh, uh, invalid, invalid, invalidly enter a number. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this does that. Hmm. Okay. So It is doing that. Let's see. Yeah. So that this is doing that. So yeah, I don't think I have a hang of it. I'm sure there's a challenging, but at least the basics we have got that down. File not found. Write a program that attempts to open a file and read its contents. If the file does not exist, catch the exception and print a message saying file not found. Yeah, I don't have the first idea of how this is done. Uh, okay, so let's try this again. How do you even go about writing something like this? I have no idea. Give me a hint on how to do it in Python. We like the exceptional handling part is the easy part. Like how my mind can't wrap around the whole write a program for to open a file. Use the open function. I didn't even know that existed. They haven't discussed it one bit. And maybe the course has. We are strict. Use a context manager with a statement to ensure the file is properly closed after reading. Use a read method to read the try okay. You know what? I have something that I will come back to this stream. I'm going to end this stream for now. I will come back to the stream again. Sorry for that. If you are, I have to do something right now.